Okay, I've already prepared my larger number, which is 3,657, and the layout I like to be really clear so you can see I've got the exact number straight away. It's not all sort of messed up. Okay, I've got to take away 1,278, so I've got to try and take 8. I start in the ones column. I've got to try and take 8 away from 7, and I can't do that, so I'm going to have to go straight into a bit of exchange already. So I'm going to take one of the 10s. You can see that there are only 4 left, so I'm going to mark that with a 4. And I'm going to exchange that for 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that 10 I've just placed in, I'm going to pop that into the ones column there. So it's 17 take away 8. Now the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to partition 8 into 7 and 1, so I can get down to 10 and then 9. So if 17 take away 7 is 10, and then take away 1 is 9. So if I take away 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, I should have 9 remaining. Which luckily I do. Okay, 10s column, I've got to take away 70 from 40, so I can't do that, so exchange number 2 comes in. So I take one of the hundreds away, so you can see that I take 100 away, and that becomes 500 left in there. Now watch quite closely because this bit's a little bit complicated. If I take away the 100, we'll exchange it for 10 10s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 4 already there, and in come the one set of 100 exchanged into 10 10s. Now I'm going to put that in carefully. Now this is the bit you've got to be careful with, because you can see there are 14 10s there, and I have to put a little one just there, so you've got the little 14 there, and that 14 is 14 sets of 10, which is 140. So I'm going to use my knowledge of halving here, because I know that half of 14 is 7, so half of 140 is 70, so I'm going to take away 70, 20, 40, 60, 70, I will have 70 left. So I can mark a 7 there, and then I've got 500, and I need to take away 200. That was nice and straightforward, so that is 300. And then I've got 3,000, I need to take away 1,000, which leaves me with 2,000. Mustn't forget to move my numbers down. So if you look at my answer as a picture and as a sum, they should match up. So I've got 2,379. Okay, now I'm going to clear that one away, and we're going to go for a larger number this time. Okay, let's see how we go with that. Right, 5,278, 5,278, and we're going to subtract 1,649. Okay, we're off. 5,000, 200, and 70, 9, no, 8. Got to be careful. Now I don't mind making mistakes, just got to correct them if you do. So just double check. 5,278. Right, I've got that. Right, we're off. So I've got to take away 1,649. I'm going to start with the 9s. Again, I can't do 9 from 8. So my first bit of exchange is coming in. So I'm going to take the 10, which means that if I take away 1, I'll have 6 10s left, and that I'm going to exchange into 10 1s, which I'm going to mark there, but I'm just going to show you what actually happens. So take away the 10, and the one set of 10 becomes 10 1s. So I've now got 18 1s in there. Now I can take away 9. And again, I can use my halving knowledge to help me here. 18 take away 9 is 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So we have 9 in the units column, which I think I'll try and put that way. So in goes the first one. Okay, 60, take away 40. It's 20. Now I've got to try and take away 600 from 200. I can't do that, so I'm going to have to exchange one set of 1,000. So that will drop down to 4,000. And I'm going to exchange it and put 10 100s in that column. So there goes the 1,000, and here come the hundreds, and there'll be 10 of them because 10 100s make 1,000. Okay, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. So that one can go. Got it on my sum. Again, that's that nice little halving connection again. Half of 12 is 6, and half of 1200 is 600. So I can take away 600, 200, 400, 600, and that leaves me with 600, so I can mark the 6 in. Then I've got 4,000, I want to take away 1,000, and that leaves me with 3,000. So the answer is 3,629.